Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect IFTTT for automatic investing reminders, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the IFTTT website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, click on the create button. This will take you to the applet creation screen. In the IFTTT section, click on the blue plus this button. Search for date and time in the services list. Choose the date and time service. Select the trigger that suits your needs, such as every day at 4 daily reminders. Set the time you wish to receive your investing reminder. Once you've configured your trigger, click Create Trigger. Now, proceed to the Then That section by clicking on the blue plus that button. Search for the notifications service. Choose the Send a Notification from the IFTTT app action. In the message field, type in your investing reminder. This could be a simple reminder like time to check your investments. Once your action is set, click Create Action. Review your applet to ensure everything is correct. If it looks good, click Finish to save your applet. Your applet is now active and will send you reminders based on the schedule you set. To test it, wait for the scheduled time or change the trigger for immediate testing. Now, you'll receive automatic investing reminders right to your device. Congratulations, you've successfully connected IFTTT for automatic investing reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.